If you think transcription is just about typing words, my dear, you are wrong. In this video, I will reveal the smartest way research students transcribe their video and audio interview to test in 2025. Research has shown that every year, thousands of students get stuck at this stage of their research. But here is the truth. Mastering transcription is not just about typing fast. It's about accuracy and structure. Because most PhD and master students don't realize that their analysis journey actually starts from transcription. In this video, I will show you how to transcribe your audio and video interview to test in just 5 minutes. I will show you the secret tips I usually use when transcribing my video and audio interviews for free. Let's dive in. Before going deep down in this tutorial, let's discuss about what transcription is all about. Transcription is the process of converting audio and video interviews to text, that is, converting recorded speech into writing text for analysis. I will show you the step-by-step method on how to transcribe like a pro. Now let's look at why transcription is really important to qualitative analysis. Number 1, transcription preserves the raw data for deeper exploration of themes and patterns. Number 2, without transcription, your interview and focus group discussions are just raw noise. Number 3, transcription gives structure to your data, making it possible to code, to identify patterns and raw, meaningful insights. The last one, which is number 4, imagine trying to do thematic analysis without a clean transcript. It is almost impossible. Let's talk about the different types of transcription method we have in qualitative analysis. Number 1, verbatim transcription. This helps us in capturing every word, pause, and filler words. It is useful for deep narrative and discourse analysis. Number 2, intelligent transcription. This has to do with removing filler words, keeping sentence clean while preserving meaning. Ideal for academic reports, that is, extracting only valuable content. This takes us to number 3, summarized transcription. It means summarizing all the content discussed during the interviews. So as for qualitative analysis, the most acceptable type of transcription is verbatim. It makes it natural because it captures all the filler words, all the pause, all the repetitions made by the participants, and lots more. If you find this video useful so far, what you need to do is just hit the like and turn on the notification bell for valuable videos like this. Now, let's look at the essential skills needed for you to transcribe your audio and video interview to test. Number 1, active listening. Ensure you comprehend the audio content. My dear, if you want to transcribe, I will recommend you stay in a quiet and calm environment. This helps you to pick all the words directly. Number 2, pay attention to every details that were discussed during the interview. Number 3, time management. Most times, researchers have a very tight deadline. So you have to be time conscious. This will help you to meet your deadline at the right time. Now, I fully know that you are eager to know the exact way to transcribe videos and audio for free. This is about the different types of software that you can use to transcribe based on its category. The first category is the manual way of transcribing your audio to text. That is, you can use software like Microsoft Word, Google Documents. Yes, it is time consuming, but it gives you 100% control. The second method that you can use to transcribe is you using semi-automated software or probably AI-powered software such as Otter.ai, Rev, Express Scribe, Transcribe by Willy, Happy Scribe, and lots more. And the last one is a specialized software that you can use, such as in vivo transcription software and Atlas.ti transcription software. But as for this training, I recommend Otter.ai to all my students. But you can even link Otter.ai with your Google Meet or Zoom or whichever platform you are using for your interview. Now, here is the secret tips you have been waiting for. Always transcribe with your research objective in your mind. Don't just type blindly. Highlight keywords. Note participant emotions. Mark timestamp that may link back to your themes. This will cut your analysis time in half and impress your supervisor. And that is it. The essential transcription skill you need in 2025 to succeed as a research student. If this video gives you clarity, hit the like button so YouTube can push it to more students like you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because in my next video, I will show you how to transcribe using Microsoft Word in a step-by-step method. And finally, drop a comment. Which part of transcription are you struggling with? I will give a beautiful response that will help you in your transcription journey. See you on the next video.